Hi, happy Friday. All right, so you're going to repeat the word that doesn't rhyme. We're doing that new one again. So I'll do the first one with you. Roast, coast, wave. And you would say wave because roast and coast rhyme. Wave doesn't rhyme. Okay. Can, craft, raft. Can. Mine, pig, line. Pig. Fog, log, off. Off. Luck, dove, cove. Luck. Knock, block, row. Row. Wing, last, ring. Last. All right, good job. Onset fluency. I'll say the three words. You tell me the sound they start with. Needle, nest, nurse. Apron, 88. A. Pillow, pole, page. P. Victor, vase, vary. V. East, eager, eating. E. Okay, we're blending. I'll do the first two with you. Fun. Fun. Oh, I keep doing this. I keep doing segmenting for blending. Okay. Fun. Okay. Soap. Soap. Okay, now your turn. Fig. Fig. Have. Have. Him. Ought. Not. Laugh. Good. Okay. Isolating final sounds. Which two words end with the same sound? Large, huge, make. Large, huge. Wise, raise, fill. Wise, raise. Mail, part, text. Part, text. Leave, cave, rope. Leave, cave. Okay, just a little break there. That's okay. We're going to segment. Get your choppers ready. I'll do the first two with you. Peak, peak, peak. Phone, some, wrote, love, take, has, cut. All right, good job. Now we're going to add our initial phoneme. We're starting with end, add but to the beginning to make bend. We have aft, add to the beginning to make raft. We have ut, add to the beginning to make nut. We have ick, add p to the beginning to make pick. We have oat, add g to the beginning to make goat. We have ein, add f to the beginning to make fine. All right, now we're deleting for one of our phonemes. We have the word pink without p. What's left? ink. We have the word lock without ul. What's left? Ock. We have the word camp without ka. What's left? Amp. We have the word tell without ta. What's left? L. We have the word gem without ja. What's left? M. We have the word bank without ba. What's left? Ink. Good job. Last part for this week. Okay, we have the word wipe. Change wa to And what's the word? I, ripe. We have the word find. Change f to kind. And what's the word? Kind. I told you that one. We have the word team. Change t to s. And what's the word? Seam. We have the word bun. Change ba to f. And what's the word? Fun. We have the word ram. Change to h. And what's the word? Ham. We have the word tone. Change t to z. And what's the word? Zone. We have the word shop. Change sh to ch. And what's the word? Chop. All right, that's it. We'll see you next week. Hopefully we have some kind of nursery rhyme or something.